Hi everyone. Today I decided to do a 10 days 10 painting challenge in my newest art books. I'll be painting something new in my brand new art book for next 10 days in this challenge. Welcome to day 1 of my 10 days 10 painting challenge. So let's start. As it is day 1, so I decided to keep it very easy and simple. So I'm gonna paint a sunset scenario with a boat in a sea beach. Don't get stressed and just go with the flow and see how I blend the colors. After using all shades of blue, I'm complementing it with off-white and mustard yellow color. As it is a sunset, so I'm using the same shades for the sea as it is reflecting. Color to paint the other objects. I'm giving the minimal clouds as it is giving a very fresh sky vibes. After applying black, it with white and brown as the daylight is dropping there. As for the boat, আমি এটা একটু রাউন্ড শেপে রাখতে চাইছি, অনেক পুরানো গ্রামের নৌকাগুলোর মতো। আর অ্যাশ কালার দিয়ে এটাকে শেড করে দেন হোয়াইট কালার দিয়ে হাইলাইট করে দেব। আর দূরে অপর দিকে কয়েকটা সুপারি গাছ দিয়ে দিব অ্যান্ড লাস্টলি ব্ল্যাক কালার দিয়ে নৌকার ছায়া পড়তেছে এমন একটা শেড দিয়ে দিব। And day 1 is done. I think it turned out pretty good, right? It was quite easy. Actually, I chose a easy one. Still 9 days to go. Let's see if I can keep this up or not. If you enjoyed this and had fun painting with me, please let me know. We will see you at day 2. So till then, keep painting and keep watching my videos. Bye.